What's the writing process like between you guys? Because it's obviously a partnership that's worked a couple of times in the past.
This time is different because last time we just kind of lived together writing, and it was like the best fun ever. Like literally, the two of us went crazy for some weird videos and shit, don't we?
Yeah.
But that was the best fun ever, and that was like one of the best kind of learning experiences for me because I had no background in writing whatsoever. I used to love to write in school, and I was going to write a play, but I knew nothing about the craft of writing. So even just formatting the script was simple now, I know, but I didn't know that. Yeah. So I learned all that from Mark, and I kind of used that. Mark encouraged me to write this in the first place. I didn't really have the confidence to write it. Just told him about this idea and the concept and what I was trying to do. And Mark said, write it, man, why don't you write it? This was 2012 before the Galway Film Fleadh. And I said, you're right, you know what, I am going to write it. So Mark was always helping me along the way with reading the drafts, sending back feedback, because I was didn't want to send it to anybody else, I was kind of self-conscious, you know. And then eventually Mark came on board as a director, and work needed to be done from the scripts. Things need to be dragged out, enhanced, improved. I also needed some structure as well, and with the character of Jay and what he was just talking about, giving him, so you have a bit of empathy from all that stuff. And Mark helped drag all that out. But it was different in Stalker. Mark just then went on his own and wrote for a few months as opposed to two of us doing together. We just met kind of every week.
Yeah, and it was, I suppose, an important thing for me was just staying true to the story that John wrote himself, his material, making sure that I did it justice, because I was coming in,